we're going to a concert on Friday, the 26th. So come along with me because we are going to Target. My hair is greasy and it's raining out, so I'm not even gonna focus too much on my hair. Probably just gonna do a quick little braid. Hey guys, so welcome to the vlog. Sorry for the background noise, we are outside, but I just wanted to say that I am currently going to Target because we are going to a concert this Friday. I'm so excited. I'm gonna be in Florida for just the weekend, Friday to Monday, and I just needed to get some essentials, so I just wanted to take you guys along with me. So let's head on out to Target. So we are currently walking to the Target. I'm kind of nervous because I don't really film out, but let's go check out the travel section. Look how cute this is, or like Cape Cod. Stop it right now. We have secured the goodies. I honestly felt a little weird today. I felt like there were so many people looking at me. Maybe it's just because I haven't been out in a long time and I'm usually at home, and I just felt like everyone's looking at me. I don't know. Or maybe they just know I'm filming today. I don't know. Well, either way, I just wanted to show you really quick what I got. It's got some Q-tips, some Purell wipes. I get nervous because I'm like, I don't know if they cleaned as well as they say they do. I don't know. But either way, toothbrushes. These were like $1.99. Since when are toothbrushes $10? I saw a pack of 2. It was like $21.99. Then I saw another one was like $9.99, $11.99. I'm like, since when do toothbrushes cost that much? I've got some moisturizer, I've got some deodorant, some body wash, Garnier Fructis shampoo and conditioner set. That we're back in the car. I don't know, what should we do? I think what I should just do now is I have to go clean my room because I've been cleaning up the house little by little so I wouldn't stress out, so that when I went on vacation it wasn't so cluttered and messy. But we are people that live in a house, so it does get messy throughout the week. Yeah, let's go home, let's clean up, or maybe I should pick up some food. Hello, can I? Wendy's. Sorry if the lighting is terrible because the light is facing this way, and I don't really like to turn on the lights when there's a lot of beautiful natural lights. And I'm gonna enjoy my food.
I was living rough out near the bus station when he found me.
Guys, we have a small change of plans. So basically I was on the couch after I ate my Wendy's. My friend winded up calling me. I was gonna clean the bedroom. Basically, my friend was showing me the outfits and I'm like, oh my God, I still haven't gotten shoes for this concert. So I was thinking of getting like these black Kitten heels. Okay, so what we're gonna wind up doing is actually cleaning up my bedroom because that was something that I said we were going to do and I never did. Dissect this. This is just a corner piece. I have a whole nother mess on this side. So let's get this started. Okay, love you, bye. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye.